Those who are the safe traders, you can take the buy call here, which is of 35 to 60, about 35 to 60. If you want to take risk or be active in the market, then you can take the trade at 35 200. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nesus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu, and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to get the full benefit of the video, so that you will come to know which Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow has to be taken for to trade on Bank Nifty tomorrow. Okay, thanks for understanding. Now let's jump into the market. Today Nifty 50 has gained 76 points and has ended at 15,174 points, which is of 0.51%. Nifty Bank has gained 72 points and has ended at 35,938 points, which is of 0.2%. Nifty Financial Services has gained 39 points, which is of 0.24%. Nifty Next 50 has gained 210 points, and Nifty Mid Cap has gained 65 points. If you see the advances and declines of Nifty 50, Nifty 50 has 35 advances and 15 declines. Okay, let's see who are the top 5 gainers and losers under Nifty 50. So the top 5 gainers under Nifty 50 are HR Motors has gained 3.10%, JSW Steel has gained 3.04%, Hindalco has gained 2.33%, Tata Steel has gained 2.31%, Bajaj Finance has gained 2.27%. If you see the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 are SBI Life has lost 3.48%, ONGC has lost 1.84%, IOC has lost 1.54%, HDFC Life has lost 1.54%, Kotak Bank has lost 0.91%. These are the top 5 gainers and losers under Nifty 50. Now let's see who has contributed for the Bank Nifty index. Which bank has contributed for the upside and downfall of the Bank Nifty today? Today, Axis Bank has contributed 74 points for the upside of Bank Nifty. IndusInd Bank has contributed 19 points and ICICI Bank has contributed 7 points. And if you see, HDFC Bank has contributed 55 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, and Kotak Bank has contributed 48 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. See, Axis Bank, IndusInd, ICICI, Federal, IDFC, these banks are in positive mode, even though Bank Nifty has gained only 74 points, because for the Bank Nifty index, HDFC Bank is the major contributor for the index Bank Nifty index contributor. If the HDFC Bank is negative, more than 45% of index points was contributed by the HDFC Bank for the Bank Nifty index. So if HDFC Bank is negative, there will be always negative market in the Bank Nifty index. Okay, major contributors for the Bank Nifty index are actually generally HDFC Bank is the major contributor, then ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank and Axis Bank. These 4 banks are the major contributors for the upside or downfall of the Bank Nifty anytime. Okay, for today's upside and downfall of the Bank Nifty, these 5 banks has contributed majorly today in the Bank Nifty index. Okay, now let me share the results of the given news yesterday for today's trade, so that you will come to know how our views are going to work. Yesterday, Bank Nifty was closed at 35,841 points, and today the Bank Nifty was opened at 36,112 points, which is of a gap up, and I have given the buy call at 36,080. Hope you guys took some buy call here. I have given the small target as 36,150 and 36,210. Here it made a high of 36,170. Who are the active Bank Nifty active traders? They must have booked some profit here. Otherwise, they may get into the loss. Okay. I always say, when you are taking the trade, you must be very active in the trade, and you should keep a sell for your trade. Okay, today we have booked only 50 points, 50, 60 points only. And as I said, from 36,100 to 200, there may be a higher chance of getting reversal from there. As I said, the Bank Nifty is not able to sustain there, and it fell down again, and there may be sideways and fell down to 35,800, 35,700, and again bounces up here. Still the Bank Nifty is in sideways movement for today. Okay, these are the results of the given views yesterday for today's market, Bank Nifty. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for to trade tomorrow, that is of 12th March 2021. Because 11th March 2021 is Mahashivratri, so we don't have the trading. So our next trading session would be 12th March 2021. Okay. Before sharing the views, before sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, I would like to request all the viewers, please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and well-wishers. And I also request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you so much. If you feel this video has some value, please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and well-wishers. And click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon once you get subscribed, so that you'll get the notification when I post the updates. Thank you so much. Now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Today, that is of 10th March 2021, Bank Nifty was closed at 35,945 points, and our buy call will be activated for 12th March 2021 Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty 12th March 2021 would be buy call 36,200 for the target of 36,260, 36,350, 36,460, 36,610, 36,710, 36,840, 36,970, 37,130. Still there is some upside movement is there, but you must be very careful between here 36,200 to 36,250, 300. So till this level has to cross, you should be very active. If this level crosses, there is a chance of going up to here, which is of 36,500, 36,560, 600, and there may be a sideways here, or otherwise the Bank Nifty may get reversed from here, because this gap has to be filled first. So you should be very careful between here from 36,560 to 36,750. Okay, this gap has to be filled first, and here also this gap, this is the big gap, this gap also has to be filled. So that's why the Bank Nifty is struggling from here. The Bank Nifty is not able to go up or not go down. It is mostly in sideways, but once the moment is happens, either in positive or negative, huge moment will happen. So till then we have to be we have to be patient in our trading. Okay, so 36,200 to 36,300 250. So you should be very careful in between, and as I always said, you should be very active in the market when you are taking the trade. If you want to go out, go out, but keep the SL stop loss, so that you will not able to lose all your capital. Okay, always you should keep the SL stop loss has to be put for each and every trade, whatever it is, whether it is a small trade or big trade. You should keep the stop loss for your trade. Okay, if you see, let's say if the bank nifty has fell down on 12th March 2021, our sell call will be activated for our sell call will be activated at 35,780 for the target of 35,700, 35,620, 35,540, 35,470, 35,400, 35,280, 35,180, 35,080. Okay, and you must be very careful here, which is of this one, from 35,680 to here 35,400. This gap has to be filled, so there may be chances of from going up at 35,680, 35,650, or maybe a sideways here. So you must be very careful and be active in the market when you are taking the trade. Okay, hope you guys noted down my levels, which bank nifty levels for to trade tomorrow, which bank nifty levels for tomorrow has to be trade. Hope you guys noted down. If you have not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again, and noted down these levels and keep it with you when you are making the trade. Okay, now let me share the bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow, that is of 12th March 2021. Once bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 36,200, you can buy the strike price of 36,300 CE. Otherwise you can wait until the bank nifty crosses this level, who are the safe traders. If the bank nifty has crosses this level of 36,260, you can buy the strike price of 36,300 CE. And at the same way, if the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 35,780, you can buy the 35,600 PE. You can buy the strike price of 35,600 PE. Okay, so bank nifty option prediction for tomorrow is 36,300 CE and 35,600 PE. Okay, those who are the safe traders, you can take the buy call here, which is of 35,260, about 35,260. If you want to take risk or be active in the market, then you can take the trade at 35,200. Okay, hope you guys like my video. Please click on the like button and share this video to friends, family members and well wishers, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe for to get the notification when I post the update. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you.